What is the carbon cycle's link to fossil fuels? Imagine a vast, slow-moving conveyor belt that moves carbon through the Earth's atmosphere, oceans, land, and living things. That's the carbon cycle in action. It's how carbon naturally travels and changes from over time. Fossil fuels are connected to this cycle because they are made from ancient plants and marine organisms that absorbed carbon dioxide from the air millions of years ago. These organisms used sunlight to turn carbon dioxide into energy through photosynthesis. Over long periods, when these plants and tiny sea creatures died, their remains sank and were buried under layers of mud and sediment. Over millions of years, heat and pressure transformed these remains into coal, oil, and natural gas. These are what we call fossil fuels. When humans burn fossil fuels to generate energy, it's like opening a hidden vault of ancient carbon. The stored carbon, which has been underground for millions of years, is suddenly released back into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide. This process happens very quickly compared to how long it took for the fossil fuels to form. Normally, carbon moves slowly through natural processes like plants growing, decaying, and oceans absorbing carbon dioxide. But burning fossil fuels speeds up this movement by hundreds or even thousands of times. This rapid releases of carbon dioxide adds more greenhouse gases to the atmosphere, trapping heat and warming the planet. The excess carbon dioxide from burning fossil fuels also dissolves into the oceans. This causes ocean acidification, which can harm marine life like corals and shellfish. Because of this, the burning of fossil fuels is the biggest human influence on the carbon cycle today. It's the main reason for the increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide and the resulting climate change. In essence, fossil fuels are carbon that was taken out of the active carbon cycle long ago and stored underground. When we burn them, we send that carbon back into the air quickly. This disrupts the natural balance of the carbon cycle and speeds up global warming. Understanding this link helps us see why managing fossil fuel use and finding cleaner energy sources are so important for keeping our environment stable and healthy.